Hi guys, welcome to Shooting Point. Here we started another question from CA Indian Accountancy Insurance Claims Chapter. The question is, the premises of Animal Limited caught fire on 22nd January 2017 and the stock was damaged. The firm makes accounts up to 31st March each year. On 31st March 2016, the stock at cost was rupees 6,63,600 as against rupees 4,81,100 on 31st March 2015. The opening stock is 4,81,100 on 1st April 2016 because 2015 closing stock is the opening stock of 1st April 2016. Okay. Then purchases from 1st April 2016 to the date of fire were 17,41,350 as against rupees 22,62,500 for the full year 2015-16. And the corresponding sales figure were rupees 24,58,500 and 26 lakhs respectively. Okay. Now we write the answer. First one. Trading account for the year ended 31st March 2016. 4 columns totally. In credit side 2 columns and debit side 2 columns. Here in debit side, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Opening stock of 31st March 2000. Opening stock of the year ended 31st March 2016 is the closing stock of 31st March 2015. That is 4,81,100 is the opening stock here. To opening stock 4,81,100. Then closing stock 31st March 2016 closing stock is 6,63,000 by closing stock 6,63,600. Then purchases from 1st April 2016 to the date of fire and then as against for the full year 2015-16. So purchases is to purchases 2,262,500. Then sales 26 lakhs. Then gross profit is the balancing figure. Here we get the gross profit amount is 5,20,000. Then we found the gross profit percentage. Gross profit divided by sales multiplied with 100, that is 5,20,000 divided by sales is 26 lakh. Multiply with 100, that is equal to 20%. It is same throughout the year. Two additional information here. First one is in July 2016, goods costing rupees 15,000 were given away for advertising purpose. No entries being made in the books. Advertising means we withdraw the goods. So we deduct this cost amount from the purchases amount. Here purchases amount is 17,41,350. So we deducted this 50,000 from this amount. Then second adjustment is during 2016-17, a clerk has misappropriated unrecorded cash sales. It is estimated that the deflation averaged rupees 1,000 per week from 1st April 2016 until the clerk was dismissed on 18th August 2016. There is an unrecorded cash sales. This amount will be added with the cash sales, added with the sales What is sales amount? Sales amount is 24 lakh 58,500. We added how much? Some amount will get from this adjustment. That amount will be added with these cats. Sorry, these sales. Then third one is rate of gross profit is constant. Calculate value stock. Here we draw the memorandum trading account from 1/4/2016 to 22 January 2017. Two columns in debits and two columns in credit side. Particulars amount. Then opening stock of this period is the closing stock of 31st March 2016. So the amount is 6,63,600. Then to purchases amount is 17,41,350. To purchases 17,41,050. But here our adjustment is here in July 2016 goods costing rupees 15,000 were given away for advertising purpose. No entry. So we withdrawn the 15,000 rupees goods from the purchases. So we deduct this amount 15,000. One 691,350. Then by sales amount is 24,58,500. Here also one adjustment there. What's the adjustment is during the 2016-17 a clerk had misappropriated unrecorded cash sales. So, unrecorded cash sales in this adjustment. So it is estimated that the defalcation average rupees 1,000 per week 1st April 2016 under the collector dismissed on 18th August 2000. So we don't know what's the correct amount for the unrecorded cash sales. So we write the we work out the working notes. Working note 1/4/2016 to 18/8/2016. So total how many days? 140 days. So 7 days is a week. So divided by 7. So total 20 weeks. So 20 multiply with 1,000, that is equal to 20,000 is the unrecorded sales. We added this amount with these sales 20,000. 2,658,500. We compute the gross profit, that is 2,658,500, 20%. Sorry, here one mistake. The amount is 2,478,500. Here also 2,478,500. 20%. 495777. So by closing stock 37,2150. See, this is the value of stock. Value of stock equal to 37,2150.